If you saw this wall in your house, you wouldn't just call an exterminator. You'd burn the building down. But here, in the Shandong province of China, this isn't an infestation. It's a billion-dollar business. Welcome to the Cockroach Bioreactor. A facility so massive, it houses 6 billion livestock. But they don't eat grass. They are a biological machine engineered to devour 50 tons of toxic kitchen waste every single day. But the real secret isn't what they eat. It's what happens when they die. Why are pharmaceutical giants paying millions for the powder inside these walls? And why are some people rubbing it on their face? Let's go inside the hive. To understand why this facility exists, you first have to look at the alternative. China generates more food waste than almost any country on Earth. Landfills are overflowing, and incinerating wet food releases toxic gas. You can't feed rotting trash to pigs because of disease. So, engineers found the only creature on Earth that loves filth. The waste is collected from the city, crushed into a thick brown sludge, and pumped through massive pipes. This sludge is the fuel. It travels miles through the factory veins into the feeding halls. Inside, the environment is kept at a tropical 30 degrees Celsius with high humidity. It is a paradise for pests. Whereas inside the hive, there are no cages. Just endless rows of concrete shelves extending into the darkness. To visualize the scale, 6 billion cockroaches would fill a Super Bowl stadium to the brim, twice. The life cycle here is brutal. A female lays an egg case, and within weeks, dozens of white nymphs explode out. As they grow, they shed their skin, turning from a ghostly white to a deep, armored brown. They will eat anything: meat, vegetables, paper, even each other if the food pipes run dry. It is a terrifying, efficient ecosystem that never sleeps. When the colony hits capacity, the harvest begins. Massive vacuums suck the insects directly off the shelves. They are transported into a washing chamber and submerged in boiling water. It is instantaneous. heat cleans them and sterilizes them, removing any pathogens from the trash they ate. Once dried, the bodies are ground into a fine beige powder. Workers report that the factory smells strangely like wet earth and ammonia, but surprisingly, the dried powder tastes savory, almost like fried shrimp. This powder becomes high-protein feed for chickens and fish farms, replacing expensive soy. But the chicken feed is just the cheap stuff. We are about to show you how this bug powder ends up in luxury beauty products. But first, if you want to see inside more of the world's most impossible mega factories, hit that subscribe button. We are documenting the engineering marvels you aren't supposed to see. Now, let's look at the real money. The oil. Scientists extract a powerful growth hormone from the bodies. This becomes Kangfuxin liquid, a medicine used by millions to heal ulcers and wounds. The same biology that allows a roach to regrow a lost leg is now being bottled to help humans heal faster. It sounds gross, but the science is real. Recently, luxury beauty brands have even started using the refined oil in rejuvenating creams. That anti-aging serum on the shelf might just be made of the thing you fear most. But there is one final nightmare scenario. What if an earthquake cracked this building? If 6 billion hungry roaches flooded the countryside, it would be an ecological disaster. To prevent this, the factory is surrounded by a moat filled with predatory fish. If a bug crawls out, it gets eaten. It is a terrifying solution to a messy problem. But as our cities grow and our trash piles up, we might need these little monsters more than we think. So, here's the final question. Knowing where it comes from, would you use the face cream? Let us know in the comments.